Hey guys, welcome to a new episode of Data Zombies. I'm going to be showing you guys today how to use a parameter to essentially filter your view by different dimensions. This is very useful if you want to save space and not have to show the same graph 3 times, just with different splits. Essentially, as you could see right here, we're looking at a time range of profit ratio. Right now it's by region, but if I select this drop down and select category, as you could see, both of the legend and the values are actually filtered to the specific dimension. So this is a great trick to know, very simple. So let me go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do is create a worksheet. I'm going to select my order date and profit ratio, and then this should allow me to build my time series. Select my marks, and just like that, we have a time series showing my profit ratio. Essentially, if you drag any dimension to the color pill, it will break your dimension by the specific dimension. So what we want to do is create a parameter that allows us to select either a ship mode, or let's say we want to see it by category. It would do something like this essentially. Very simple. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and start by creating a parameter. This will be the dropdown a user sees. So let's call it tutorial dropdown. We'll select a string since we want it to be text, and the list will be categories. Actually, category. Let's start. Try and keep it the same. It'll help. The second thing we'll do is region, and the last thing we'll do is by product type. Actually, no. Ship mode. There you go. Ship mode. All right. So just like that, I'll select OK. As you can see, now we have a new parameter. If you right-click and say Show, you'll see that we now have effectively created a dropdown. It's not going to do anything if you select any of the values. There's no attachment, there's no action to it, but we're going to fix that. So we're going to create a calculated field. This is going to be called tutorial dimension. And we're going to use this piece of code, pretty simple to use. It's called case. Select your parameter. So for us, it's case ship mode. Actually, no, sorry about that. Case tutorial dropdown. And then we're going to use a when then statement format. So basically, when ship mode, then ship mode. When, and as you could guess, region, then region. When, I think the last thing we had was product. Actually, no, we had category. Then category. And then we'll end this. Simple as that. Now, as you could guess, what we're going to do is take our newly created field, tutorial dimension, and drag it over the category into the color pill. Essentially, now we have connected everything. A user will select a different drop-down region, and just like that, as you could see, when a user selects a different field, it's essentially just passing on the value you selected through the case statement. So there you guys have it, a very simple way to use parameters to filter your existing views. Hope you enjoyed.